Here we have the high definition optic lens. We are going to, you can see it's kind of dark. So what we're actually going to do, we're going to zoom in here. I'm sorry, but small print is really hard for me to see. So having this to magnify, and also the kids like using this if they catch bugs or set up anything like that outside, they can easily use this. And then you just pull back to make it much more enlarged. You also have this magnifying as well, and you can just aim it on what you're looking at and then zoom it back and in and out. So those are the features of the magnifying glass. That is on small print. Here is on a penny. If you can't see it good, you're gonna press the side button here, and now it has a light on. Look at how much better with the light that helps. You can really see that. Kind of wiggle it around to get the angle that you're looking for, and then pull up slightly to focus it in. And then the 3 different lightings, which is really fun when you have like bugs or something you're looking at. Reading books really good. And then there's another little light right at the bottom here, which will be used for this magnifying right here. Now it's sitting on a table. So if you don't want to hold on to it, you don't have to. Here's the scale. Let's just zoom in and show you the features. It is a 1/16 inch and then 0.5. You'll also get the nice case that comes with it for storing, and so that way you can not worry about anything breaking or damage. Inside you will find a USB charger, and a cleaning cloth. It does take 3 AAA batteries that will be right in here.